Alright everybody, welcome back. In case you're wondering, I cut it out of the last video. Well, I didn't cut it out. I turned off the video and then realized I had done something. So what I did is I came back and I cut the front. So with that, it gives you a nice little spot for it to sink in. Now, this is going to be rather difficult to get in because my channel's not made yet. And I'm probably going to have a whole nother video on the channel that I actually learned as a nice little tip and trick from somebody else. But I want to show you just real quick before we get into dremeling. If you can see all the Kydex flex, and that's not even from dremeling. That's literally just from using the bandsaw. So again, this stuff gets everywhere. Protect yourselves. It's real simple. $16, get you a mask. $13 at Walmart, get you some ear pros. Because I'm paying for when I turned the bandsaw on and didn't put my... I was like, oh, I'll do it real quick. Yeah, it was a terrible idea. Don't ever do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put my mask back on. And I got to reattach the thing I pulled off earlier. And we're going to do dremeling. And dremeling is when I'm going to get all my fine-tune adjustments and things on. So, and go to earplugs. The gloves are over here. And again, gun goes in and out of the holster constantly to make sure it's all my cuts are right. Every time I remove something, it's correct. Because again, once you take something off, it ain't coming back on, especially in flex. So you got to make sure that you're doing it properly. And well, hopefully you can get it right. Or you can get it right on the first time. Maybe you're better with a bandsaw than I am. I'm terrible at power tools. I'm not inclined. Okay, so I know you won't be able to see it too well, but here's the gun. Okay, it's set up in a vise. Okay, because again, I don't have a router table. I don't even have a router. So this is what I have to use. Nice little sanitary thing comes with. It's just gonna grip. I put these on here because it kind of messes with the motor to be attached on there like that. So let's see if I can lower this a little bit. Oh, I zoomed in again. So we're gonna get into making all these edges nice and round, because a lot of people don't do that and it annoys me. So we're going to see just how good we can get this. I wish y'all could smell this. This really is bad. And just to show you just how much dust comes off of this stuff, seriously, protect yourselves. So what I did, rounded off the corners. I'm probably gonna have to do it. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna stop here. I'm gonna give you another a whole nother video on just rounding the edges. And I'm not talking about these edges. I'm talking about these flat edges. Y'all, that stuff hurts. It's not fun, especially if you're concealing and it's just awful. It rips your shirts. So it gives you a nice smooth feel, makes your customers happy. Or maybe you do it for yourself. I'm probably going to do a whole nother video on why I started doing this stuff in the first place, and it's probably the reason most people start doing it. At least I would think so. Maybe I'm just cheap. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to shut you off. We're going to move to creating the channel. And again, what's another real nice, easy thing somebody showed me once upon a time at a gun show, because I asked questions. Most people had the answer. If y'all have any questions for me, by all means, leave them in the comments.